Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to add music to your Instagram story. This is very easy. All you have to do guys is open your Instagram, and as you can see here guys, after you are on your Instagram, you want to click your story in the top left. As you can see here, you want to click here, and after that you want to select the picture that you want to add like the picture that you want to add music to. So for example, I'm going to add music to this picture so that I can share it with my friends. Now if you want to add music to your Instagram story, you want to click this smiley face. As you can see here, you can see it here, this smiley face in the top right. Click it. Now after that you want to search for music. You want to search for music, and as you can see here guys, this is music. You want to click it. Now here you can search in the top. It says there search music. You can search for any music you want. Click Dawn in the top right, and then click this arrow at the very bottom right. Like I said guys, you want to click Dawn in the top right and then click this arrow at the very bottom right. I stopped it because it was playing music that is copyrighted, so I don't want to get in trouble with YouTube. So like I said guys, and then click share at the very bottom, and that's all you need to do. By the way guys, you can remove the song lyrics, like lyrics of the music. You can remove So like you see guys, you can just resize the lyrics. You can just zoom them, or you can just resize them, like make them smaller, like disappear from the screen, so that only music and your Instagram story will appear. So hopefully this video guys is helpful to you. Hopefully guys this video helped you. If it does, please drop a like, subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. I reply